So hey guys, I just want to start off by apologizing in advance because this video will be starting a little bit awkward. I was recording the intro of the video, but then it was not really recording, so I got no footage of the intro. But I was just basically telling you like I'm doing a 70s hairstyle look, yada 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 yada. Pretty much what the caption says. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And again, do not like think about the front part. Just wait for the end. Okay? Okay.
Again. Stop. Hold up. Hold up.
Show your little body, 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 body. Show them a little body, 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 body. And show you got the body.
Basically, they all have layers in their hair. So what I'm going to do is my hair is. I don't think I need to blow dry it. I'd only probably have to blow dry it to give it volume, but I won't blow dry it because I'm already going to do I'm going to be layering it. So to layer, I'm going to part out some in the front, and guys, please bear with me. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's just I'm just trying this style. Okay, so this two section is going to be the shortest section at the front, so I'm going to pin this away. I can't even see properly. Okay, so with the hairstyle, everything is pretty much flipped out, and then she did the whole, why am I talking like that? But yeah, everything is pretty much flipped out. So it's just flipped out and layered pretty much. So that's what I'm going to do. This part I'm going to layer it, but I'm just parting out some sections. Oh my gosh. Then I'm pretty much just going to cut this part first. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to cut this part, then layer it onto this, then add this, layer it down. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Right, that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so after layering my hair, I went ahead and used my curling iron and I just curled away from the face on both sides. I know I see a lot of people using like the flat iron, but I really cannot curl with a flat iron. Like, not even to save my life. It won't happen. So this is what I used. I used my regular curling iron and I just curled away from the face in the back part of the hair. But then when I got to the middle part, I kind of curled away but up. So I kind of did like I flipped it a bit but still away from the face. You know, I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but basically exactly what I'm doing in the video. So I just curled up instead of sideways because I want it to be like flipped in front. And because I did not use the flat iron, you know, because I can't use it, that's how I had to do it. Okay, so I basically just curled the back part away from the face but flipped the front pretty much. And for this section, did the same thing. I just flipped the front part, small sections, and flipped it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did for the curling. Spray, and it's like a holding spray. And yo, I'm so nervous because if this does not come out properly, I'm going to be so sad. But I'm going to basically just brush everything out, and I'm going to be going in the same direction that she did. Whew. I like it, but like this part is flipped differently from this. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm gonna see if I can fix this part. Like, this part is flipped. This needs to be flipped as well. Oh, because I thought, like, I don't want to brush this side out because it's like perfect, like the way it is, at least to me. And once it's perfect to me, it's fine. But like, yes, guys, are you crazy? Guys, I'm so happy. Like, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is actually so cute. And I'm not adding anything. I'm not doing anything else because I don't want to spoil it. I don't, but this is the ending result. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys were here for all the mishaps, but you know, in the end it came out cute and I love it. Oh, so nice. I love it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Show your little body, 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 show them a little body thing.